might seem harsh, but what can we expect for North Melbourne for the rest of the year is nothing. Like, honestly, it's hard to see where they'll win another game. They beat West Coast, who have their own problems at the best of times at the moment. When they played West Coast, they played a waffle team. They fell over the line and were arguably not lucky to win, but they were genuinely challenged. If they got a full-strength West Coast, who, let's be honest, are no good either at the moment, they would be winless, and they don't play West Coast again. You can't see where they're going to have a win coming from. They will start outsiders in every game they play this year. I would be surprised if they win them. Look, a team might have a bad day, or they might get sort of lucky with another team having lots of COVID. But the reality is David Noble, I personally don't think is necessarily responsible for this year. There's been a lot of talk over the last few weeks that their points per game against has gone up. I don't think I'd be hanging David Noble for what's going on at the moment at North Melbourne. I think he's clearly got a list that is very young. Obviously, they've got some young players like, your Simpkin, Simpkin's not overly young, but Simpkin, Horne-Francis, etc. But yeah, I just think they're in a rebuild. They're struggling, and I honestly can't see them winning a game for the rest of the season.